Next is pressure correction. Although the molecules of real gases are very small, yet they exert appreciable attraction on one another. Therefore, the presence of the attraction forces affect the pressure exerted by the gas. See, if you consider a molecule which is exactly in the middle of the container, from all sides, from all over the size, that molecule, they get attracted. This molecule is attracted by all the molecule of the surrounding area. Whereas if you consider a particle near the container wall, that means only this much part of the molecule pull this or attract this molecule towards the, but there is nothing to attract this molecule by the side of the wall of the container. Therefore, what happens is that we know that the pressure is defined as the force exerted by the particle on the wall. Therefore, in this case, there is a reduction in the attraction. That means these molecules are pulled by the molecule inwards towards the container. Therefore, let us see the explanation. When a molecule present in the interior of a gas, it is surrounded by other molecules in all direction. That is this case. It is surrounded by in all direction. These molecules attract the given molecule with equal force in all direction. All the forces are equal. Therefore, the net force of attraction on the molecule under consideration is zero. Since a molecule is attracted by all direction, the net attraction for this one is considered as zero. And if you consider, but when a molecule is about to strike the wall, the attractive forces are not balanced and the molecule experience an inward pull. That means the molecules are pulled towards the container inside portion in inward pull. Since the pressure of the gas is the force exerted, this is the pressure definition. Since the pressure of a gas is the force exerted by the molecules per unit area of the walls of the container observed, the pressure of the gas would be less than the ideal pressure. That is, the pressure of the gas should have been exerted in the absence of attraction force. That means if there is no attraction at all, it will show a normal pressure. But since it is attracted towards the interior of the container, the pressure applied on the walls of the container becoming less. In order to account for this decrease in the pressure due to the presence of attractive forces, a correction term P is added to the observed pressure. Hence, the corrected pressure is equal to capital P plus small p. Small p is the correction, where P is the observed, capital P is the observed pressure of the gas and small p is the correction. For 1 mole of a gas, the correction P, small p is given as A by B square, where A is the volume of the gas and A is a constant, V is the volume of the gas and A is a constant which depends upon the nature of the gas. Therefore, the corrected pressure is equal to adding the value of P, that is a correction, P plus observed pressure plus A by B square, that is for 1 mole of a gas. Substituting the values of corrected volume and the corrected pressure, we can write the van der Waals equation of ideal gas. Ideal gas equation can be modified as P plus A by V square, that is the correction for pressure, into B minus B, where B is the correction for volume, is equal to RT. This equation is known as van der Waals equation. Now, significance of A and B and its unit. A and B are called van der Waals constants. Both A and B depend upon the nature of the gas. Fill in the blank question. If the pressure expressed in atmospheres and the volume in liters, the unit of A will be atmosphere liter raised to the power 2 moles per mole raised to the power minus 2. How it is obtained? P is equal to A by an squared by V square. That is n square, it comes according to the volume, that is equal volumes of all gases under the same conditions of temperature and pressure contain same number of moles. Therefore, A is equal to P V square by n square. On substituting the value, you get this unit. The constant B refers to the excluded volume of the gas. That is, excluded volume is equal to NB. That means B is equal to excluded volume by N. That means volume by mole. Therefore, unit of B is equal to liter per mole or liter mole raised to the power minus 1. Last section of this states of matter, liquefaction of gases. The lowering of temperature and increase in pressure leads to the liquefaction of gases. Critical temperature definition. The temperature above which it is not possible to liquefy a gas by applying any amount of pressure is called critical temperature of that gas. This completes the unit number 5 or chapter number 5.